god, what happened? I'll keep recording him, okay? Let me put it closer. Make sure that he doesn't come to my iPad and break it. No. He likes the paper too much. Ah! No. No. Ah! Oh, she looks cute.
Come on, go on my hand.
Good. Come. Let's get her some water.
Do you know how to fly? Let me see your wing. It's not good.
Well, I'll let her drink water. Let's go. We have to take care of her. Give her water. Here. I'll give you the water. She will always come to us. Look! I have water. Put her right in the camera.
Okay.
Oh my god. Stop.
It's not important about water.
No, just give her water. She's thirsty.
Oh, she isn't.
Oh, why? I don't want to drink water.
Oh, good. Have a nice day.